great beginner wig if you're not used to the virgin hair industry and you want to kind of get your feet wet with like the texture or whatever. I think that this is perfect for you. Perfect as a starter wig. You can throw it on and go. I don't even have it glued down. It's not even glued down and it is popping, honey. Okay, but I do want to let you guys know that when I wash the hair, I didn't see any dyes, but I can tell that the hair has been processed in some sort of way. You guys know I'm going to keep it real with you because this hair actually looks like a 1. It doesn't look like a 1B. It looks like jet black, which I absolutely freaking love. The texture is freaking amazing. Like, baby girl, baby, like for real. All jokes aside, I am feeling myself. If you guys want to send me your unit, I can make it look like this, but this is originally how it looked. And I also showed you guys how it looked with the freaking baby hairs. This unit is priced on Amazon for $42.99. So for $42.99, baby girl, let me show you. Hold on, let me turn around. Don't play with me. Absolutely love this freaking hair. If any of you guys are interested in sending me any hair for review, or you want me to test out your hair, be sure to just send it to me. Go ahead and email me at thepotpourricollection@gmail.com, and I will link everything down below so you can contact me. Well, the hair came in literally like 2 days. Like, it came so freaking fast. This is the baggie that it comes in. Y'all know how I feel about the free, okay? They give you a pair of lashes, also give you a hairnet, so you set, boo-boo. But what I would recommend is to definitely put you a cap underneath your wig that's the same complexion as you. That's what I have going on underneath my wig, and yeah, it looks really freaking good. The only issue is I'm having a hard time with this piece laying down, but other than that, baby. Alright, you guys, I want to thank you guys so freaking much for watching and checking your girl out. Make sure you like this video, okay? Don't play. Make sure you comment down below, show me some love, okay? I comment back, I like, because I love you guys. And make sure you are subscribed for more videos. And I will see you guys in my next